How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super slick 1966 Chevelle SS 396. It's a true 138 VIN, done in a super slick Tuxedo Black. Super nice car. Had a recent restoration. About a 2-year-old restoration on the car. See, the bumpers have all been redone, replaced, all the grille trim. Super slick car, guys. Real straight down the side. All the panel fitment's nice. The rear bumper and all the tail light trim all been replaced. Very nice. And I tell you, make one of these cars black and be this slick and straight. A lot of work. It's got the American Racing torque thrust on it. It's got your power disc brakes, got power steering. Now the original motor's been replaced with a real stout 454, 30 over, aluminum intake, Holly. Backed up with a 400 turbo trans. Got the 12 bolt limited slip 331 gear. Jams are all real nice. Interior's all been redone. It's got a update with a nice tilt wheel. Headliner super slick, tight. It's got optional headrests, pretty rare for 66. Tell you, I really like the seats, the headrest on them in these cars. Just a cool looking setup. Trunk's all real nice. Got jack and spare. Trunk floor looks real good. Dash all looks real nice. Visors have all been replaced. Original center console, clock works. Been updated with the front seat belts. Tell you, super nice car, guys. Nice sound and cam and everything. Good looking car. Slick black paint. Good sound. I tell you, the thing that pounds the ground. Just a blast to drive. You can can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.